Hey guys, in this video, we're comparing two payment processors, Stripe and PayPal. Stripe and PayPal are credit card processing providers that process your customers' payments. Stripe is primarily a merchant services provider that allows you to customize its solutions for online or brick-and-mortar sales. PayPal is mainly a digital wallet. So first, let's talk about Stripe. Stripe is a financial services company that functions primarily as a merchant services provider. The company sells a leading point-of-sale POS system and has plugins for e-commerce tools that equip your business to receive payments from customers. As a payment processing company, Stripe can aid your business to accept payments through many different methods for a fee. Payments are then deposited into a merchant account, which Stripe supplies, and are automatically transferred into your business checking account as soon as the next day. How Stripe works. When you sign up with Stripe, you can choose from its standard offerings or a customized e-commerce package. You'll have the option to purchase equipment or download plugins to process payments and use a personal dashboard to help track the payments you receive. In addition to payment processing for your online business, you'll also gain access to Stripe's other services, including billing, invoicing, and identity protection. Depending on which service you choose, you can utilize inventory management tools or integrate Stripe directly with QuickBooks. Additional Stripe services. In addition to payment processing, Stripe offers business billing, invoicing, card issuing, tax calculation tools, identity protection services, fraud protection, and much more. Stripe costs. If you choose Stripe for processing your brick-and-mortar or e-commerce payments, pricing is the same for all cards and digital wallets, including Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, American Express, Discover, JCB, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Integrations are also available for other global payment methods, such as GiroPay. When to use Stripe. Stripe excels because it offers your business competitive pricing and a wide selection of tools. Consider using Stripe if you meet any of these criteria. Your online business relies heavily on e-commerce. You desire a completely customizable platform. Your organization routinely engages in online sales. You need enhanced fraud prevention tools. One big drawback of Stripe is that with so many tools and features available, you may need some development experience to set it up. If you don't know a net specialist and don't have the means to pay someone to help you configure Stripe, you may want to use PayPal or find a simpler system because the software's bells and whistles can be overwhelming. Now let's move to PayPal. Like Stripe, PayPal is a financial services company. However, PayPal functions primarily as a digital wallet for individuals or your small business. It's generally used for sending money to friends and family, invoicing clients, and receiving payments. While Stripe focuses heavily on processing credit card payments for merchants, PayPal focuses on invoicing clients and receiving payments for work performed. PayPal also offers merchant services like POS systems and credit card processing, but its merchant services are much narrower and more expensive than Stripe providers. How PayPal works. To get started with PayPal, sign up on the PayPal website. Registration is straightforward and instantly grants new users access to a digital wallet for sending and receiving funds. You can also link bank accounts to transfer money on and off the platform. Once you're signed up for PayPal, you can decide how best to use the platform to support your needs, order equipment, or add tools and features. You can also order a POS system, acquire a business loan, or use the platform to send individual invoices and receive payments. Additional PayPal services. In addition to payment processing, PayPal offers invoicing, business loans, working capital, seller protection, tax calculation tools, and more. PayPal costs. PayPal transaction fees are based on the type of payment being processed and whether transactions are domestic or international. American Express payments made via PayPal guest checkout include a 3.5% fee, but there is no additional fixed fee. When to use PayPal. PayPal is considerably more expensive than other payment processing companies. Your service-based company, such as a consultant or landscaper, is an ideal user because you require a simple tool to quickly send invoices. If you seek a tool that also receives payments, and you're not inclined to set up a more complex system like Stripe, then PayPal may be your solution. These are some typical scenarios for using PayPal. You already use PayPal personally to send and receive payments with friends and family. You are looking to accept PayPal transactions. You have a low volume of sales and are willing to pay higher fees for simplicity. Your multi-channel business engages in both online and brick-and-mortar sales. PayPal and Stripe both offer similar services for merchants. It's easy to set up an account and start accepting payments with both. Neither company requires a contract, and you can cancel anytime. The main difference between PayPal and Stripe is that PayPal is better suited for small businesses that are just getting started. It offers an easy setup and does not require advanced technical knowledge. Stripe is better suited for companies that want flexibility and the ability to customize practically every process of the online payment experience. So that's it for this comparison. If you find this video helpful, then do make sure to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.